Major funding for the Tale of Princess Nature is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future, and by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting children's public television, where a kid can be a kid.
Intel Corporation is a proud supporter of PBS. The Intel Innovation in Education Initiative provides teachers with the resources to inspire their students and encourage them to unlock their potential.
Juicy Juice. We're behind Arthur 100%. Of course, that's how we do everything. Juicy Juice. 100% juice.
Additional funding is provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your FEC station from viewers like you. Thank you!